All right, I'm out here today with my duck dog Gracie, and we're gonna be working on some drills today. One of the issues that we've been running into lately is that Gracie does what we call popping, which is basically her stopping and waiting for a hand signal at about the distance where you could throw a bumper. So typically 30 something yards out, she starts to get discouraged and sometimes just second guesses herself. But I think I've come up with a solution to that. That is right here with what we've created with this drone monstrosity. What we're gonna do is we're actually gonna fly the drone and we're gonna use it to simulate birds coming in and dropping. And then also, when we run these long distance drills, it's going to help us not have to walk all the way out there 100, 200 yards to make her do these long blind retrieves. We can use the drone to actually use it. So I'll show you the attachment that we have here. We got a DJI Mavic 2, and on that drone we have this attachment that allows us to drop it. I got this attachment mainly for offshore fishing, being able to drop it from the beach, but I figured if you attach this keychain with the zip tie to it, then you can actually turn it into a drop release. This attachment you can find on Amazon. I think it's about 40, maybe 50 bucks. And the way that it works is it actually operates off of the light sensor. So it covers up the light, and when you hit the light button, that's what releases. So I just took a keychain, took it off there, put it on this zip tie, and then you could insert it right in there, hit the button, and it'll clasp. Usually when I do this, I start it upside down. I feel like that's the easiest way. That way I can have my hand free. You can take it, press the button, and it locks over. When you press the button again, unlocks and releases the dummy. So we're just gonna start off with some basic drills. We're gonna take off the drone, show you what it is. I'll show you real quick how this attaches. First off, you just set up the light sensor. You got two LEDs. This one's gonna go in the front left. On there, it's just gonna have a little rubber band to hold it tight. Gonna have a cable that hooks onto the main unit. From there, make sure that the power side is on the left side, and this is gonna go right over the top of the power button on the main Mavic. Take the cable, plug it into there, and you're good to go. That's it. So on this drill, we're just gonna simulate sitting in the duck blind, have some birds come in. We're gonna take a few shots, and then we're gonna drop the bird and let the dog realize and put that two and two together. Take a few shots. Just mark the bird back. Fly the drone back. Let it reset, let her come back, and we can do it again. Try it, start stretching it out. That one we dropped it about 30, 40 yards. We can stretch it out, get her to go further and further. The other way to do the attachment is just while it's hovering, you can use it and attach it from below. I like to do this on the multiple retrieves so that I don't have to take it and turn it off every time. Just fly it over, stick it up there, close the clasp. Just in the few drills we've been running in the past 5-10 minutes, I've even come up with another great application for this, and that is a lot of times you see guys that might have a bag of rocks or something in their shell bag, and if they have a dog that's not listening to hand signals or whatever, they're throwing that just so that there'll be a splash or something to get the dog's attention and get them going back in the right direction until they are ready to take that hand signal. The drone can act as that little attention getter on those really long retrieves. Just now I was doing about a 500-yard retrieve with Gracie, and she was kind of getting discouraged, and just having that drone hovering over the right area, even though we don't want to turn it into a crutch, can be something to get her going in the right direction, kind of give her that extra confidence when you are giving her those left, right, back signals. It's already worked out well with Gracie. I can't thank you enough for watching. I really appreciate everybody that took the time to watch this video. Make sure to give us a like, comment below if you can think of any other uses for the drone. We're just getting started with this, and so hope that we have good progress with Gracie. Let us know if you have any luck with this with your dog. Until next time, thanks. We really appreciate everyone.